What's good? What's good? And welcome back to Investing with Jax. Hope you're doing well. I wanted to go over some strong projects today that I think are very worth looking at on the dip. I first went over Theta, and now we're going to be talking about Tron. All right, guys. So we're down 18% on the day. We're down 34% on the week with this market correction, and we're up 80% on the month. And the 3-month, we are up 248%. So we've went all the way from 17 cents down to 10 cents for Tron. All right, guys, we have a market cap of 7.29 billion, a 24-hour volume of 6.7 billion, and a circulating supply of 771 billion. All right, so we'll do a quick overview of Tron. We'll look at the website, and I'll kind of talk about why this project is so strong in my opinion. So Tron is a blockchain-based decentralized protocol that aims to construct a worldwide free content entertainment system with the blockchain and distributed storage technology. It aims to form a decentralized content entertainment ecosystem that allows each user to freely publish, store, and own data. All right, guys, so Tron is the owner of BTT and Wink, BitTorrent and Wink. They're all in the Tron ecosystem. So Tron, decentralizing the web. All right, guys, they have 30 million accounts. They have a transaction count of over 1 billion, guys. They have a block height of 29 million. They talk about their Tron dApps, so boosting and raising number of dApps. So your dApps, guys, are like what you use in your Trust wallet, and a robust ecosystem. Tron outperforms Ethereum and EOS in both active users and dApps. All right, guys, Tron outperforms Ethereum and EOS in both active users and dApps. So please, these are really important metrics to look at. We can see the dApps transaction volume is 111 million. The dApps transaction count 115K. The active dApp users 18K, and the total number of dApps 1.73K. And you can see here the Tron ecosystem. They basically go over everything: the Tron wallet, Tron scan, all that kind of good stuff. Please look at the website if you're new to Tron. Technical, high throughput, high scalability, high availability, the Sun Network, and then the core partners. We have Samsung, BitTorrent, and a little bit of news here. All right, guys, so we're gonna pop over to the Tron Twitter, and we can see here that new Tron adventure coming soon. But for now, leave your guess RT with your friends and test your luck. So there's a new product launching very soon. Tron's always coming out with new information all the time, which is always a great sign, as I always like to say, for a company when they're constantly releasing news on their Twitter. And they recently passed, where is that information here? Just one moment, guys. I know they recently passed Ethereum. I talked about it in my last video. According to Tron Scan, total accounts exceeded 30 million in less than 3 years. So that's big too. But I just want to scroll down. Oh yeah, there's a big announcement for BitTorrent as well. I'll go over that in my BitTorrent video. Where are you, baby? Yeah, they're circulating. So right here, Tron's the largest issuer of USDT with the TRC20 USDT, over 23.9 billion, and market cap over 24 billion. So that's absolutely massive, guys. I'm a big believer in Tron. I think it's going to be an absolute juggernaut in the blockchain space. And if you're new to Tron, please look into it, do your own due diligence, because I think it's going to be a beast, and it's going to do well on this bull run. So we're sitting on the 1 day in a sell, moving averages sell, because we're going through that correction. You see your 1 week buy, moving averages strong buy. So if we hop over into the technical analysis here, we can see on the 1 day that we're coming down to the 50 EMA, and hopefully we use that as support. Would be a great sign. But if BTC, the master energy, were to correct more, we could come down and find support at about 0.9 cents, or we could drop down 0.8 cents, 0.088 cents. And then if BTC corrects, let's say it goes down to 40K, well, we could find support at 6 cents. Would just be an absolute steal to buy the dip or enter a position with Tron. Definitely, I'll be looking to buy the dip in this area of 8 to 9 cents if we see it. I do have a significant bag of Tron already, and it's always good to average down, in my opinion. So on the 1 day, we're sitting at 43 on the RSI. Obviously, the MACD is over underneath the signal line due to the correction. I'll show it to you here on the 1 week. So guys, we can see here on the 1 week that the 20 EMA is still underneath the candles, and the sign of like a bull market ending, or a reason to start going on vacation with your earnings because you've already sold and didn't get caught up in the downfall, is when the candles start to break the 20 EMA on the 1 week. If you see that on the 1 week, it's over. Because it's really a bearish sign that it's going to be most likely the end of the bull market or the end of the coin in the bull cycle. If we were to come down and break the 20 EMA on the 1 week, that would be a very, very bad sign. But if we look at Tron on the 4 hour, whoa. We can see here we've come underneath basically the 20, the 50, and the 200. So we want to see some higher highs and higher lows. We want to see BTC correct and get back above all those AMAs, or get above all those EMAs once again. So we can see here we're sitting about 34 on the RSI on the 4 hour. So hopefully we see BTC recover soon. Could be a week or two before we see some strong buying action, but just keep an eye on it. Definitely a strong company, one worth looking into. If you're looking for strong companies to buy on the dip, I would recommend Tron, but it's not financial advice, just something to look at. Check out the website. So I'll give my predictions for the middle of May and for the end of May, just to give some time for the market to correct. So I could see easily for Tron by the middle of May at least 20 cents. I'd like to say 25 because on April 17th we're at 17. So hopefully we see that recovery in the market soon and we get to about 20 cents, maybe even 25 for mid-May, and hopefully towards like 27, 28. I'm going to stay modest just due to giving time for the market to correct, but we could absolutely soar after that. So I'll stick with 20 to 25 cents for mid-May and trend to end towards 28 cents, maybe even 30 would be amazing for Tron during this bull run and during May once the market corrects. All right, guys, so just strap in, if you're kind of feeling gloomy about this market correction. It's not going to last forever, in my opinion. Please do your own due diligence and research, and smash that like button if you enjoyed the video. Subscribe, turn on notifications if you're new. Hope you're doing well. Follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and I'll see you, excuse me, how rude, in the next one. What's up? Take care.